Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can get proactive in LinkedIn using Tumblr LinkedIn automation. So that is a very good word, proactive. So you are going to be active on LinkedIn through this automation. What we are going to do, whenever you are posting anything specific related to business, related to jobs, related to something which involves the perfect content for LinkedIn, what you can do, you can automate it by connecting your Tumblr account with your LinkedIn. So what will happen, whenever you are going to have a specific content on your Tumblr account, it will automatically get posted on your LinkedIn account. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help you connect Tumblr and LinkedIn together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And after you do that, you will see you will be redirected to this window here. You can see two options, sign in and sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you can go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. Okay. So now you have to go for sign in here. And here, you have to go for login. Now, as soon as you will do that, you will see we have the softwares here. Now, I will go for access now in Pabbly Connect. And here, what you have to do, you have to click on create workflow to create a new automation. So we are going to click on create workflow. After that, you can see here, you have to enter the workflow name. So here, I am going to give it the name. And here we are going to give it a name, Tumblr to LinkedIn. Okay. Now I am connecting these applications. You can name it whatever you want to. Now let me just go and open my LinkedIn as well. And here is my LinkedIn account. And let me just correct this one as well. LinkedIn. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. So trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what is happening in our trigger window? We are having a post in our Tumblr account. Okay. So we will just go for a new post in my blog and then we will click on connect, add new connection, connect with Tumblr. Click on allow, and as soon as you will do that, you will be your Pabbly Connect account will be connected to your Tumblr account. And now here what I am going to do, I am going to post the text type of content. And here you can see we have other options as well, quote, link, video, audio, photo, etc. So we are just going to use the text one and blog will be Pabbly. So here you can see this is the text one and this is the blog Pabbly. And here what you can see is my last post, IPL highlights. So what will happen whenever I am going to click on save and send test request, it will take my last post, which was IPL highlights, and the last post IPL highlights will come into the response here. Okay. So I'm not going to post anything again on my Tumblr account because we already have the last post response here. So you can see this. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to go here and in our action window, we are going to take LinkedIn. Okay. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to share, you can see here, share simple text and share an article or you. So I'm just going to go for share simple text and then we will click on connect, add new connection, connect with LinkedIn. And here it is asking me for the password and the ID. So let me just put in my password. And as you can see, I have signed in and I have given the authorization to my Pabbly Connect account for my LinkedIn. And you also have to do the same. And don't worry, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. You do not have to worry about your data. Now here it is asking us for the content. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a technique which is called mapping. And mapping will let us take the data from this window and it will let us put the data here in this window. So what we are going to do in our content, first we are going to take the blog title. So which is this one, summary IPL highlights. And then we are going to take the body of the post. So here you can see this is the body of the post. IPL highlights. IPL CSK beat RCB by 23 runs and something like that. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to go and click on save and send test request. And now as soon as we will do that, you can see here the new ID will come here, and when we will go to our LinkedIn account and when we will refresh it, you will see that we will have a new post in our account. So let me just open our account. And where is the latest post? So here you can see this is the latest post here, and you can see here IPL highlights. IPL 2022 CSK beat RCB by 23 runs to register their first win of tournament. And here when you will click on this link, you will be redirected to the page of your Zee News website, where you have this part of the information which we have used in our LinkedIn post. Okay, now you can do this by using another action event as well, which is share an article or URL, where you can easily share URL. I was just sharing the text format, and that is why I told you how to do that, because this is how we are going to map in our text format. If we have to map in our URL, you can just map in your URL directly by first selecting this action event. Okay, so now I have told you how to do this. Let us try this automation, and this time we are not going to put any link. We are only going to put pure text. Okay, so we'll go to Tumblr, text, title is Pabbly Connect, and in body field I am going to write Pabbly Connect provides you the ability to integrate multiple applications by managing the data flow smoothly. And you can read the rest of the content as well. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to click on post now. Now what will happen, as soon as I will post on my Tumblr account, the data from Tumblr account will go to LinkedIn, and here our new post will come, but it will not come within seconds. It will take some time for our new post to come here, because whenever we are sending data from Tumblr account to any other account, we are using a trigger which is called polling, and polling trigger is something which will take the data from one application to another application in some time. It will take some time for the data to come from one application to another application because of the trigger polling, and because of this we are not going to have the data here within seconds. We are going to have our data here within minutes. So it can take 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 5 minutes. So let us just refresh this and let's see if we have our data. And if we do not have our data, we will wait for few minutes here. So we do not have, let's just wait for a few minutes. And you can see we have our data here, Pabbly Connect. So let me just go here and you can see this Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect provides you the ability to integrate multiple applications by managing the data flow smoothly. You can connect two or more applications and get the repetitive tasks done through automation, and that too without depending on developers and any coding work. Okay. So this is how you can create your connection between Tumblr and LinkedIn, so that whenever you are going to post a new new article or something like that in your blog, what will happen, it will automatically be shared to your LinkedIn account, and by this you are going to grow a lot of audience, and by this you are going to have a lot of followers as well. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And if you do not want to create this workflow, you can just clone this workflow from my account into your account from my description box. But for that you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.